Hello my sputtering chums, how are we today? Bloody marvellous, I hope I find you. Right, it's just a quick one today. I'm taking the rear wheel out so I can get to all the lovely goodliness inside all this shit at the back here. So it's the rear wheel, rear brake needs completely cleaning up. This whole area is bad, but you'll see it later on. That's it, just a little video for today. Get the back wheel out of a busser. So now with the rear wheel in the air and it's shaking like it just don't care, we need to get this off, which is obviously here. Chain adjustment, this big round nut is the one that goes through. Looks like a bandit to me. Definitely looks like a bandit setup. You've got your torque arm, rear brake caliper. They always fuck up, so all the dirt goes into the caliper. Stupid idea. This bike I do know has got brand new chain and sprockets, so they won't be coming off, they will be getting cleaned up though. Spacer, chain adjuster. So pretty basic, easy. By the looks of it, the same as all bloody bikes. So it's the big one we want to worry about is this one here. Get that off first. 32, 30, 27. It will be one of them three. 32, 30, 27. It'll be one of these. Not a 27. Not a 30. Guarantee 32. Holy shit. And that's the biggest I've got. Wow. That's stopped me. Right, this is the Hayabusa toolkit that comes with the Hayabusa. Bingo. There it is. Fucking freezing today. Bingo. There it is. Now, how the hell are you going to get that on? How the hell do you torque it? I'd love to know that. Anyway, let's get this off. I hope. You know when people say always, when you get a bike, always buy a bike, always check to see if it's got the toolkit in it. This is exactly why. I haven't got a socket that big. I think it's 36. To go to Halfords and buy one dedicated for this bike, you're looking at a £5. £5 just to buy a socket, just to get this off. But if you've got that in the tool case, easy peasy. Fortunately, the previous owner, or the previous mechanic, whoever took this off last, hasn't monkeyed this on, and it came off quite nice. Oh, and it's been greased as well. How do I know it's been greased? Coming off real nice. Here's that bit. So the shafts come out here. I can't put anything in here now. That's the end of this bit. The shafts come out here. Hang on, let me straighten you up. Got about 2 inches shaft out here. Where is it? There it is. You got your hammer. Oh, it's too high now. Oh, that's good. All I'm doing is making it a fulcrum. I'm going to pull this out, just like a piece of piss. Bear with me. While I'm pulling it out, I'm putting this in. So I'm lifting the tyre and pulling this out at the same time. That's out. Watch this. How easy is that? Couldn't get any easier. Trust me. Doesn't get any easier than that. So you put it back how you found it. This was that way. This was on the outside of the bike. Went through the bike. This is on the other side of the bike. And your nut and bolt. That's how it came off the bike. That's how it's going to go back on. So, now, here we are. We have the wheel. There is no spindle in it. There's only this in it. Absolutely simple. As you can see, the little screwdriver's holding it in place, just like the, just like it should. No effort required whatsoever. So now I need to get the chain off. How difficult's that? One chain rolled off. Excuse me. And as always, don't sit the chain on the swing arm. I know this is a very old bike. I know it's old and crusty. Just don't do it. There you go. That won't scratch this lovely polished, this highly polished swing arm. Or polished swing arm when I'm finished with it. Right, next. Pull that out. Pull this forward. I'm still keeping in mind this around here is going to hit up here in there. So I'm twisting. And there we are, one wheel out. Don't forget the spacers in the wheel. When you take the wheel off, you'll have one this side, which is a stepped 1, 2, 3 step spacer, disc side. On the sprocket side, it's the standard spacer. That I can't get off. Yeah, I was going to do that next. I don't like it when I can't get the spacer out. There it is. It's only a one step spacer. So the one step, sprocket side. The two step, that's got a shoulder, that hasn't. The one without the shoulder, sprocket side. The one with the shoulder, the other side. So, that's that secured.